So today we will talk about data analysis. I would say it's the best way towards your future career. So why shall we learn data analysis? Because every decade there exists the dream jobs. From 1980s to 1990s, investment banking becomes the hottest job. So every graduate, every talent want to involve in this kind of business. But when it's in the 1990s to 2000, internet becomes the next big thing. So a lot of new companies established, and they also have some millionaire like Bill Gates. So everybody claim it's changed the world. It did. It changed our daily life. So today, big data, machine learning, artificial intelligence becomes the next big thing. So a lot of new companies, a new startup established. So there will be lots of opportunity, even with the traditional industry. Combined with this artificial intelligence, you will become some kind of unicorn company. So you can be the next Bill Gates, as long as you learn the new things related to data analysis. So 2018, what is the hottest job? So from McKinsey, it is said there will be a shortage of talent necessary for organization to take advantage of big data. By 2018, the United States alone could face a shortage of 140,000 to 190,000 people with deep analytical skills, as well as 1.5 million managers and data analysts with the know-how to use the analysis of big data to make smart decisions. This big data is related to sensors, communications, retail, shopping, medical, healthcare, industry, and vehicles like autonomous cars. So from 2017 to 2022, in billions US dollars, so you can see the market increase dramatically. So why data science, data analysis become popular now? Because in recent years we really have lots of data from the cloud computing, from Internet of Things, your sensors. So you have more and more sensors, and also from this kind of sensors, and all the data from your healthcare. So from your cell phone, from all your handy device, we have more and more data. This more and more data would need us to have a new methodology, a sophisticated methodology to treat and deal. So we need new analytic insights. We have such raw material as big data, but we need some more information, insights, knowledge, data story. Also, we need some visualization. So you cannot see this data directly with your human naked eyes. You need some special and specialized visualization tools. I will talk about later. Also, with these massive analytic tools combined with machine learning, you have recommender systems, complex event processing. You will have much more smarter decision. So we want to know, what does the job market really care about? So if you see advertisements from online searching, you will see this Python and R and SQL is a very popular tools you need to grasp, because this job need to use these tools. Also, the job, you will see some term like data scientist, data engineer, computer vision. So you want to recognize cat, you want to recognize car, you want to recognize some kind of science, you want to recognize science on some products instead of using human. So recently, some of my friends they did using autonomous robot to welding, because welding is very harmful to human. Yeah, you have UV radiation. The young generation don't want to involve in this business, so we need some autonomous system to do the job for us. So also the autonomous vehicles, autonomous cars, autonomous helicopters even become more and more popular and in our daily life. So the top 20 technology skills in data science job list, including Python, R, SQL, Hadoop. So this is the software we have to face if you want to become involved in this data analysis area. So we want to know what is the real process of data science. So if you want to become data science, you have to face basically the first thing is data preparation. You have to clean your data to become processable and recognized easily by models, by machine learning, etc. Also, you have to transformation your data. Then, if you have your clean data and structured data, you have the chance to explore your data. Then you use your machine learning or some other data modeling, like the machine learning model like decision tree, like KN. Then you have model your data. You want to visualize your data and communicate with other people. Okay, you found some or more problem, then you feed back to your original data. This is basically the data analysis and data science process. So also in this process, some concept related to statistics really matters. So let me give some example. What is the difference in this concept? So you might heard about average, but there are different kind of average like mean and median. So this is I get from online news that it said the overall average household income was 65,751 in 2014. Oh, you would expect, okay, my income is a little bit there with maybe a little bit far from this value. What's wrong? Is the statistics wrong? No, actually, what we really feel in our daily life is median household income was actually 10,000 below this mean average value. Why? Because for mean average, the value is basically influenced a lot by the if you see the income by the highest value, because Zuckerberg earned more than you, and Bill Gates have probably 100 million per year. So you are basically averaged. But the median on the other side can really mean that half of the American household make less than this amount and half make more. This is related to what you feel in your daily life. So statistics really matters. So we use lots of models and lots of feature extracting. We would interact with statistics. So data and the statistics, they are highly related. So like I said, the data preparation is heart of the data science. So data preparation including data cleaning and feature engineering. Like I already said, feature engineering is highly related to statistics. Data cleaning on the other side, so is also what data scientists face every day. So you need to remove some duplicates, you have to filtering, you have to balance your data, you have to deal with some missing data. So at the beginning, you probably need to face the perfect data to train your machine learning skill, but in reality, data preparation is heart of data science. So there are 6 steps in data wrangling. You will all sort of kind of facing these 6 steps in our course. You understand your data and clean up the duplicates, blanks, and other simple errors, and you join all your data together in a single table. Yeah, nowadays some big companies, they put all their related data in one table, then that makes data analysis much more easier. So if you have different resources, you have to combine them together. So you have to really put a lot of effort on this kind of data wrangling. Then you create a new data by calculating new fields or recategorizing them. Yeah, then the most important thing, next step is visualize your data to remove outliers and some weird results. So another good thing is, so you probably from different area, different field. So you may from different engineering field. The domain knowledge of the data is very important. So when you face everyday technology, you want to build your own business, the most important thing is the tool you use, like the tool we teach you on this Udacity course, but the domain knowledge is the cherished part of your own business. You need to understand your own data and select or create attributes that make machine learning algorithm work. Feature engineering process include brainstorming or testing with feature. So feature selection. Also, I emphasize on feature selection because this is what's the most challenging part of your machine learning job. So you need to have statistics knowledge and domain knowledge to make your feature selection reasonable. Also, you need probably several interactions to make your feature selection perfect. So you want to wonder how to become professional in data analysis. So skill sets, what skill set in data analysis you would like to acquire to fulfill your